Hello, Jutta family. The baby birds took flight. They are always close to their parents, and this electrical wire is near the house, but they are off. Yanni said that there used to be many birds a few years ago, but there's been a big reduction in their numbers. He fears is because of the greenhouses. So he makes these little ones extra special. There's 5 of them. There's quite a few for one nest. They are learning from their parents. They don't go far from mom and dad, and they follow. Very, very sweet. So Yannis can return easily and turn all the lights on and off in his house, because we were working in the dark, almost, outside. He didn't want the lights to be turned on and be too bright. Thank you very much, the family, for your support. Bye-bye now.